Hello, 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 hello. Woo. Hi everybody, I'm just getting on live real quick today to show you our braid wigs that we have on our website, magichaircompany.com. Hi guys, hi. So we were getting a couple of calls today. We did sell out of one of our styles. We have these styles left, and I will show you guys really quick. I finally put up my website for my shirts. Hope you guys can see it. But yeah, so check us out at magichaircompany.com, where we have the best glueless, full lace, and front lace wigs. We also have our very own hair care product line, so you can take care of your quality wigs and extensions at home. We have our keratin shampoo, conditioner, and hydrating curl definer and amplifier, and we have our edge tamer. Hey, hi guys. Okay, I'm only getting on here really quick to show you these 4 styles that we have here. So this is one of our braided wigs. This is wig number 601 right here. It has twists in the back all the way down to the very end. Very, very soft. I love these braided wigs that we have. The wig I currently have on is wig number 569. And we will not be open tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday the 16th. Life happens, and we, for the first time, will not be open during our scheduled business hours. So we do apologize in advance. We will be back open on Saturday at 11 o'clock. We'll be here Saturday 11 to 6. We have a lot of wigs in stock. Here is braided wig number 550. It's always tricky where to set this with the lace, but this is our top knot here. This is the scalp. This is my favorite one out of all the wigs. So this is wig number 550. It has a top knot. These are the braids in the back. And we are getting 2 or 3 more styles in stock next week, so definitely check our website. Hi, yes, we do have braided wigs in stock. Go over to our website. Is this one? Yeah, we still have this one, right? Okay. And we have this one here. We're getting some more colors in. Let us know what colors you want to see. We are getting some blondes. I'm trying to read the comments. We do have a ombre one coming up. The very next one will be the ombre. And we do have some butterfly locks coming. Yes, it's on the website now. Yes, the quantity is updated on the website. And we only have a few left. So this is another option here. I believe this one is 602. This is either 602 or 603. Let me zoom it in. Woo. And they're very, very secure. I mean, she's not staying on this, but this is a mannequin head. Woo. Actually, I'll just throw it on really quick and show you guys how much I love it. This wig is wig number 569. That is the unit number, not the price. All of our braided wigs are $450. And you can either just gel this, you can do whatever you want to it. I'm unrolling it because I can feel that it's rolled. You know, it's very important when you're putting on your wigs to unroll the wig, but there you go. And I can, you know, kind of gel this down however I want. And there we go. This is wig number, I believe the number is either 602 or 603, but it is on the website. I love it. I love it. Yes, this is unit number 603. It's either 602 or 603. So you can put that in the search on our website or just click Braided Wigs. Braided Wigs at Magic Hair Company. And last but not least, we have this one here. So this is what she looks like. She's either 602 or 603. I mix those two numbers up. I love this color, and it's an ombre at the ends. We're getting a couple more styles in. I literally only have 8 left. And they just came out on our website today. If you are tired of waiting all day getting your hair braided, there's no need. You can get braids in 30 seconds. Let me try this one on. Let me go put my camera. Yeah, so there's absolutely no need to sit all day and wait around to get your hair braided, because you can get a braided wig now. Simple, easy to put on. Look, she's not going anywhere. She's very secure. I know I look crazy, but I'm just showing you. These braids aren't sliding or moving anywhere. Actually, I'm kind of dizzy, but this is a great option for braided wigs. This is the one with the ombre in the back. Hopefully you guys can see that. Can you? Yeah, okay, so this one has an ombre color. We're getting a few different color options in. If you have a specific color combination you want, just let us know. And yeah, I'll try on one more. You know, my favorite. But yeah, check us out, magichaircompany.com. Come on into our Culver City store here. In case you are just wondering how the wigs how they feel, how to put them on, come on and shop with us here in store, here at Magic Hair Company. We're located in Culver City, California. Easy installation braided wigs. And there you go. Bam! And I can, you know, do what I want with this baby hair here. I can cut it off. I can tuck it under. I can gel it down. That's it. All right, guys. And yeah, look at this scalp. And this it does come loose, but you know, you just put a pin in it, put a rubber band in it, but it's not going anywhere. Check us out online, magichaircompany.com. We are your glueless, full lace, front lace wig supplier located here in Culver City, California. Now we also have braided wigs available. Check out our hair care product line to maintain your quality wigs and extensions at home. All right, guys, we are closed tomorrow. Our current COVID hours are Wednesday through Saturday, 11 to 6 p.m. So come on in. We do prefer that you have an appointment, so just use the text button on our website to say, hey, I'd like to come in at this time. That way we can clear the station, make everything clean, and make sure we are available to give you the one-on-one attention you need to get you in the wig of your dreams. And yes, my shirt is available. My Etsy page is designed by Janice H, or follow my other Instagram page. Thanks guys for watching. Love you. See you soon. Bye.